Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my channel. This is Kuya Linux. Ngayon ay meron tayong short tutorial about sa taas about quadratic equation, no? Our topic is solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so yung given x square, so x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. O, yan yung given, no? So, first step, transposition. Ililipat yung constant sa kanan, yung 18. So, lipat natin, x square plus 9x is equal to negative 18. No? Positive siya, nilipat, kaya naging negative. Then, ang next step, yung completing the square. Yung x square plus 9x dapat maging perfect square. So, paano gagawin? Yung coefficient ng 9x, which is 9, divide lang sa 2, then square. So, 9 over 2 square. Okay? Then, simplify. Square of 9, 81. Square of 2, 4. Di ba? So, madali lang, no? Then, we add yung third step. We add 81 over 4 dun sa x square plus 9x para maging perfect square. And then, i-add din natin siya dun sa kanan, dun sa negative 18. So, we add x square plus 9x plus 81 over 4. 81 over 4 is equal to, so, we add to negative 18, so plus 81 over 4. Then next is factoring. Yung x squared plus 9x plus 81 over 4, perfect square yan. So, ang factoring niya, just copy the x, tandaan nyo yan, plus take the square root of 81 over 4. So, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 4 is 2. So, 9 over 2. Okay? Then, you take the square. O, yan ang factoring niya. Pag multiply mo yan, x plus 9 over 2 times x plus 9 over 2, lalabas yung trinomial, yung x square plus 9x plus 81 over 4. Okay? Then, simplify the right side, no? Yung negative 18 plus 81 over 4. So, fraction yan. So, to simplify that, get the LCD, least common denominator. Ang LCD niyan, 4. So, 4 divided by 1, kasi yung negative 18, meron niyang 1 sa ilalim. So, negative 18 over 1, no? Hindi na lang pinapakita yon, pero meron niyang over 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. Times 18 is negative 72. Negative kasi negative 18 eh. So, negative 72. Yan. Then plus Yung susunod naman, yung 81 over 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Times 81 is 81. So plus 81. So lagyan natin ng parenthesis yan. Kasi para buo siya, ano? Yan. Then, over 4 yung LCD. Okay? So, ganyan yan, no? And then, simplifying further, we copy first this one, x plus 9 over 2 raised to 2 or square. Di ba? Kinopy lang natin is equal to simplifying. So, unlike sign yan, negative 72 plus 81. So, magma-minus. Di ba? Unlike sign, minus. So, 81 minus 72 is 9. Okay? Positive. Kasi, yung 81, positive. Mas malaki siya sa 72. O, di ba? Laws of sign numbers. So, 9 over 4. Okay? Then, what's next? Take the square root of both sides. So, SQRT stands for square root x plus 9 over 2 square. Di ba? Square root of x plus 9 over 2 square is equal to square root of square root of 9 over 4. Lagay natin dito para medyo malinaw. Plus minus. Sorry. So, plus minus. Yan. Square root of 9 over 4. Dalawa yan. Plus n, negative. So, what's next? Simplify. Square root of x plus 9 over 2 square is x plus 9 over 2. Mawawala na yung square. Diba, tinuro na natin yan nung nakaraan, ano? Yung may lows of exponent. So, ganyan yan, no? X plus 9 over 2 is equal to square root of 9 over 4. 3 over 2. Okay? Square root of 9, 3. Square root of 4, 2. Di ba? Dali lang, no? Okay, then we have a linear equation now. Sorry, I forgot the plus, minus. Yan. Yan. Dalawa siya. So, what's next? Solve the x. Linear equation. So, x. Unahin natin yung positive 3 over 2. So, plus 9 over 2 is equal to positive 3 over 2. So, linear. Madali na. Transpose 9 over 2 to the right side. So, x is equal to positive 3 over 2 minus. Kasi nilipat yung 9 over 2 kaya naging negative 9 over 2. So, fraction yan. Same denominator, yung 2. So, you just add. Diba? Add. Since, unlike sign, positive yung 3, tsaka negative yung 9 over 2, magma-minus. So, 9 minus 3 is 6. Then, copy the sign of 9. kasi mas malaki siya. So, negative 6 over 2. Or, simplifying further, x is negative 3. Oh, dali lang guys, di ba? Then, yung isa naman, x plus 9 over 2 is equal to negative. Di ba? Dalawa siya, no? Negative 3 over 2. Similarly, transpose 9 over 2 to the right side. So, magiging 3 over 2 minus, nilipat. Kaya naging minus 9 over 2. Again, fraction yan. Similar denominator. So, x is equal to, simplify, negative 3 plus negative 9 is negative 12. Diba? Like sign, no? Nagpa-plus. Over, copy the denominator, which is 2. Fraction, no? So, x is equal to, simplify, negative 12 over 2, negative 6. Yan guys. So yan yung solving quadratic equation by completing the square. So meron na tong ini-involve niya or involve yung fraction. So dapat familiar na kayo doon, no? By this time. Ang mathematics kasi mula umpisa dapat naiintindihan yung mga laws kasi habang tumatagal nagiging complicated, lalo na sa higher mathematics, yung mga calculus, no? Dalawa yun differential saka integral. Pag nag-college na kayo, ito pang high school, pag nag-college na kayo, ma-encounter nyo yun, hindi kayo makakalusot. So, yun lang ang ma-advise ko, na medyo aralin nyo yung mga basic kasi mahirapan kayo pagka dumating kayo sa higher mathematics, lalo na kung mga engineering ang courses, mga technical courses, accounting, engineering, architecture, pati yata medicine. Siguro kailangan nyo rin yan kasi applicable din yan sa chemistry. So physics and chemistry, applicable din ang mathematics. Malawak. Okay guys, paki-like naman and paki-subscribe. Kahit wag nyo munang i-share. Pero okay lang kung gusto nyo i-share. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. This is Kuya Linux. Bye-bye.